This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. He's got his gun in this one. We haven't got that yet, but we're doing the left arm. So let's get straight to it. Oh, that's the right arm. We're looking at him from the back. So yeah, I want to get the red bits on. We're doing the interior, obviously, first. So let's have a look, flick through the magazine, and then we'll get to the building, because that's the bit that we're all here for, really, isn't it? Armstrong and Aldrin, obviously, proper spacemen. There we go, read all about those if you like. Then we'll look at the Metroplex and Prime from the cartoons and comics. The Terracons, I don't remember Terracons. I'm sure they have their place in the history and the lore. The Decepticons, obviously, robots in disguise. These are the bad guys. 65 issues in, and we're looking at the sort of origins of them. Wings and things on them. Don't remember them ones. There we go. You can all look at those if you so desire. We'll get on with the right arm part 2. Because we did the hand, and then we did the arm, and then we've got this part. This is the upper arm, which we're putting together, and then just putting the bit together, actually. And then I assume next time we're going to be attaching that to the arm we've previously built. But that's that part that we're going to be doing. Well, I'll say in a minute, but basically now. So here we have the parts today. We've got our metal interior piece, which is obviously necessary because we've got to support the rest of the arm with it. 2 plastic pieces that will be going on the outside of that. Which way around does that go? It'll only go one way around. It is that way around. That goes on there. Like that, a bit lower down than I thought. Holes lines up. Come on, why can't I get that lined up now? Is that way around? There we go. Just didn't fall into place. So that snaps in there quite nicely. Then this piece goes on the top, and we've got 4 screws to hold that together, which are in here. We've got screws. We've got these little, no doubt, for in there, but we're not putting those in yet. I shall keep those aside for next time. Got some decorative pieces to put on. But first of all, we've got our 4 screws. Hold it all together. One extra screw, as ever, to keep aside in case you ever need it. Bags are nicely labelled, so you can always tell which one's which if you need it down the line. So we'll get all of these in a little bit, and then come back and tighten them all up. 2, 3, and 4. Now we've got them all lined up, make sure everything is where it should be. We can come back and tighten them all properly. These are only plastic pieces that they're going into, so don't use too much force, because you could, in theory, strip the thread out of the hole, strip the thread off the screw. There we go, that's that. Then we've got our other 2 decorative post things, which basically go into the holes that we've got there. They are bayoneted. Thought they had a slight bayonet shaping to it. Maybe one of them does. No, they both appear to be the same. So let's just double check. Yep, they're both labelled the same, and they both basically just go into the hole there. So one in there. That should be like that. Oh, I'm going in the wrong end. Go down there. Oh, right. There's that hole there. There we go. One there and one on the opposite side there. Things still to be added to the outside there, obviously. Going to be an armor piece that's going to be movable. But for now, that is that. A little quick build for this one. I shall put this aside for the next time when we're going to be, no doubt, attaching this to the rest of the arm and the hand. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do leave a comment and like and subscribe and all that as well. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.